If you are an affiliate marketer, you are a network marketer, or you have an online business, you're going to want to listen to this video until the end. I know some of you guys have been using old technique to run your business. This is why some of you are frustrated. This is why some of you quit before you even get started. I was in the same position. This is why I don't have no families and friends now, because obviously when I call them now, they don't even answer because they think I'm gonna try to make a sale out of them. That's no longer my case, because now I have a system that's attracting the right people to me. I no longer have to chase my families and friends. I no longer have to call them. People are calling me to find out what I'm doing. I am making money literally when I'm away from work, when I'm away from my cell phone. I'm literally making income in my sleep. Why? Because I have a system that's working for me. If you would like to learn how you too can use this system to generate income so you can live the life you imagine yourself living, I have a class, I have a video that will teach you more about what I'm currently doing, how the system works. There is a lot of money in the online space. The only way we're gonna get to the money is to get to the right people. Yeah, a lot of people are not interested in the same thing. So we want to target the right people who's looking for what we're doing. A lot of people are selling online, but they don't have a technique. They don't have system to help them generate that income. After you make a sale, how do you go back to making another sale from that same person? You don't chase them. We have system in place. How do you know who your clients are? Some of you guys don't even have an email list. Some of you guys don't even have a lead capture page. Some of you guys don't even have a funnel. So how you gonna do and grow your business without those tools? You need tools in place. You need system in place that's gonna help you grow your business with or without you. I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of growing somebody else's business. I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of leaving my family behind just to go make a few bucks. I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of waking up and working overnight just to feed my family. Barely. I don't know about you. I'm tired of being at a place where people don't even like me, where I'm not growing, where I'm not earning, where I'm not in charge of my income. I don't know about you guys, but I want to be in charge of my income. I want to work hard and play hard. There's no such thing as something for nothing. You're gonna work. Yes, you have to promote your business. The system will do the rest for you guys. By the way, this is a global system. This is worldwide. You can use this tool anywhere you are. You can use the knowledge, the skills to build yourself. So if that's you, you're looking to generate extra money on your cell phone or your laptop, yes, definitely write me. Let me know that you're ready. Put ready in the chat. Put ready. I'll text you the information. I'll send you the information, the 20-minute video that you need to watch to make a decision for yourself. Now, whether you go ahead and do this business or not, that's up to you. Whether you use the skills to grow your business, that's up to you. But the knowledge you're gonna get, guys, it's gonna stay with you forever. Whatever you do with that knowledge, it's up to you. But baby, when I tell you, you're gonna learn something that can change your life if you take action. Yes, when you learn something, you don't take action, it's like you don't know it. A lot of you guys are walking around with a lot of degrees. You smart, very intelligent, but you're not making the money. Some of you guys are too logical because obviously you thinking, oh, this is not gonna work. You thinking, oh, you know what? I can't do this. I'm not smart enough. I'm not educated. Guys, you don't need to have a high school diploma. You don't need to have no experience. This business is a step-by-step that's gonna teach you how to do the things you don't know how to do. If you're willing to learn it and apply it and stay consistent, and I'm telling you, you're gonna see results. A lot of people have been seeing results in this space. You heard people talking about digital products. You heard people talking about affiliate marketing, network marketing. You heard people making millions online, but you still believe that you can't make millions online because you're too shy, because you're not educated, because you don't have experience, because you've been burnt out, because you've tried things in the past before, it didn't work. Now that you think like you just have to give yourself a chance over and over again, guys. Every day is a new day. The sun come out. Every day is a new day for us to decide what we want to do. Are you aware of your current situation right now? Do you want to stay in that current state right now? You can literally change your mind if you can change your thoughts. Yes, you have to think good thoughts, guys. You have to know that you can do it. If other people can do it, guys, we are made from the same thing. You just have to believe in yourself. You just have to believe even if you don't see it. Faith is something that you do without seeing. Sometimes we're waiting for the perfect moment to happen. There is no such thing as perfect moment. You just have to do it. You have to do it while you're depressed, while you're sad, while you're happy, while you're not ready. You have to be willing to do the things that others don't do in order for you to get what others won't have. Simple. A lot of people are just following trends. You just have to be yourself and know what you want. You just have to focus and discipline yourself to get yourself to the level you're trying to get. Yes, God's gonna help you, but if you don't help yourself, you're not gonna see the miracles. When you start moving, guys, you can literally activate your miracles. Yes, you can actually do the things that you was meant to be. Once you stay consistent, I guarantee you will see results. This is no-brainer, guys. Stay consistent. Consistency don't mean that you're not gonna run into a delay. We have to understand there is delay in life for many reasons. Sometimes we don't have the patience. Guys, we need patience to grow. Things don't happen overnight. People that you see who's been having overnight success, you don't know how long they've been working. You don't know how long they've been trying. You don't know how long they how many sleepless nights they had. You don't know that. But I'm telling you this, it happened for me before. With school, when you persist, you will get results. It's the same thing, same principles in life. Whatever you want, you have to be consistent. You have to stay focused. You have to discipline yourself. You have to have patience. Trust the process. That's a process. It takes 9 months for a woman to birth a baby. You understand? When you plant a seed, it don't grow like overnight. You have to wait. While you wait, what action step are you taking? While you wait, what preparation are you doing? There is no miracles without work, without preparation. What are you currently doing right now to receive all that you want? If you want to learn this technique, guys, DM me for the information. I'll send you the video so you can know what